Welcome to part 2 of the iMBrace GovernCore tutorial. Following on from part 1's setup and configuration, we now move into the admin console, focusing on governance, compliance, and security within the platform. The Governance Admin Console overview provides full visibility into your system. This dashboard summarizes audit posture, token usage, and governance signals across departments and agents. The full audit trail provides traceability. You can track who did what, when, and why, and filter by department, severity, and event type to ensure complete accountability. Reasoning monitoring lets you inspect captured reasoning traces, tool plans, policy checks, and red flags. This detailed view helps in understanding and mitigating potential issues. Gain full visibility of token usage to analyze usage, costs, and concentration by model and department. This feature helps in optimizing resource allocation and budgeting. Team role-based access control allows you to manage department access, roles, and permissions across your enterprise AI governance plan easily. Connection monitoring provides insights into who connects what, inspect connectors, access levels, risk scores, and cross-boundary paths for comprehensive oversight. Flagging and monitoring detects potential rogue agents, policy bypass attempts, and risky cross-boundary connections. Take action directly from the control panel to maintain security. Start your growth with iMBrace. Scan the QR code to learn more, and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube.